understand how difficult it can be to make a good product demo, yet it is essential to showcasing the value and capabilities of software solutions. That's why I will be teaching you how to structure a good product demo in this video. It is also important to note that a simple video creation software can streamline your creation process. I use Castofly. It allows me to easily import my slide deck and record with one of its 6 templates, which in this case I am using the image plus webcam template. First, start with a compelling opening that grabs your audience's attention. Clearly state the purpose of the demo and the problem your software solves. Next, outline the agenda to set clear expectations for what will be covered during the demo. This will help your audience stay engaged and follow along. Now clearly describe the problems that exist and emphasize the benefits and value your software provides. Articulate how your product addresses pain points, improves efficiency, saves time or money, and delivers a positive impact on the user's workflow. You'll want to focus on this before diving into the technical details. Present the core features of your software in a logical order. Begin with the most impactful and unique features to capture attention early on. Demonstrate how each feature addresses identified problems. And here's a tip. Make sure there's a smooth flow between features to maintain a coherent narrative. Next, showcase real-life use cases that highlight how your software solves specific challenges. Connect these use cases to the pain points of your audience to make your solution relatable and relevant. I've now switched to Castofly's screen and webcam template to give an immersive walkthrough of the software. Now you can showcase the software in action and focus on the key features discussed earlier. Show how users can navigate the interface, perform tasks, and experience the benefits firsthand. Summarize the main points and reiterate the value proposition of your software. Make sure to end with a clear call to action to guide your audience on the next steps to take, such as signing up for a trial, requesting a demo, or contacting your sales team. By structuring your product demo effectively, you can deliver a compelling demo video that communicates the value of your software solution. A tip is to create a shareable video that can easily be updated when your software changes. For example, Castofly allows me to share links to my product demos and stores my videos on the cloud.